I'm glad to meet you again. Once again, greetings to my friends, my viewers, and all that. Like we had the last session. Sorry that I've taken long, minus uploading, minus getting back to you. But I thank God that I'm back here. All my viewers, all my friends, greetings you over there. I'm just assuming that you are doing well. I thank God that you are still following me up. For those who have got some challenges, some issues, I pray that God gets into your issues and intervenes all about that. Then the same story, those who are doing well, thanks and grace back to Him for performing His roles unto you perfectly. And you have to stand in and pray hard so as that God can be still next to you. So today, I have to begin by name. My name is Isabide Yokana. As usual, the CEO, Levfra Technologies Uganda. Now, there are many things we are going to look at on this platform, my YouTube and my TikTok accounts. You know, when we say we are going to learn, we start by introduction is, after the introduction is, then we start entering into deep of the products, developments. Like I told you, according to me, we are going to deal into two major aspects. Aspect number one is using VBA on how to automate things. And I introduced that. If for you, it's your new time, you are new to me or follow me up, just go straight to my previous video. You'll understand my niche of this platform. I have two issues. One is security, and the two is automating things using VBA. And I told you earlier that VBA is an application. It is a software application that is already embedded inside Office software suite. And I explained what the meaning of suite means within Africa. Then today, I'm here again to continue from where I ended. I said VBA stands for Visual Basic for Application, meaning it is a programming language that is already embedded inside Office. So whoever has a computer, be it a desktop, be it a laptop, but as long as you have one of the two, I'm sure you have what we call Office. There is no Office without Office suite, meaning that you are welcome to this platform. Issa Videokana is my name. Niche 2 is all about cybersecurity. For now, I'm going to speak very few words on cybersecurity. Reason being, I'm still preparing a lot, and I will be taking you through step by step on how to come up with something small, big, and what till we reach somewhere. I'll be offering some tutorials, and I beg you people, my followers, to follow them. If you want to learn, call me. We go straight by slowly, step by step. I'm sure you will understand. Where you don't understand, you have to call me. Then we go on and we have to learn with one another. There is no way you can achieve excellence. One, but we do achieve excellence when we are two. One head does not perform excellence, but two heads can perform excellence. The reason that when I fail something, you just inquire from me, I add you. When I fail, I inquire from you, we come up with the solution of the problem. So automation is the problem. Our motion today, or our topic of why we have cybersecurity against VBA, though we shall be emerging in with other things. But we are developing tomorrow. What we are going to develop tomorrow, we have to protect it today. Meaning that all our applications that we are going to develop to you tomorrow, we started with the security of it, such that no one is unauthorized can have access to them. This is the reason why there are two niche points. Security, which is in cybersecurity. Those who know the meaning of the word cybersecurity, you will understand exactly what it means. These Application is someone who has no access can attend to them, but if you are there and exactly that you know what you're doing, I'm sure you can understand exactly what we do. Thank you for listening for now. But I know we are going to meet next. Just give me only 1 second or two. We pick from